To the valley that became Granada Hills, 5,000 acres, and he's in that other picture when they were drilling that oil well up in 1922. Yeah. He's in that picture also. It's the same guy, Herman Mosier. He was an oilman that came out from Oklahoma in 1904. What I know about
Herman Mosier. Well, that's good. I can feel add that to my tour.
I remember one of the docents thought this was Frankie Walker, but it's not. That's Herman Mosier. He was actually older than that. See, Frankie Walker, Papa, as we knew him, was 17 in 1903 when he was sharing a tent with Captain Harmon, who was born in 1810, and he was an retired English sea captain. He's in that picture of the hotel, and he had jackknife was too small, and he died in his arms in 1903 at the age of 93, and he's buried at it. The grave's still there, but it's not marked.
I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you. Probably handling more stuff. Hi there.
Hello.
If you're interested in reading this, I have something.
That does help. I was able to actually read it.
Well, someone were interested in reading it. Well, he had great handwriting. Very, very polished. We have some of his journals.
Thank you for the line.